Can you believe it? This boy traded his iPhone 20 for this rotten piece of wood. The family asked him if his brain was flooded, but the boy didn't care. Because this useless piece of wood, after the boy's careful repair, the whole family was very surprised when the finished product came out. When a millionaire sees it, he is willing to pay $100,000 to buy it. So this boy made the first money of his life with this skill. Let's see how he turned this rotten piece of wood into a $100,000 finished product. Although the video is only a few minutes long. But in fact, it took the boy 7,746 hours to complete the artwork. So please help encourage the craftsman. Your support is the driving force behind our creation. Thank you very much. When you see this step, a very fine work of art is done. Can you rate this artwork? How many points would you give if the maximum score was 100? Please leave a message. See you next time.